I seen my mum apply it a couple of times, and I was so jealous because it's my favourite colour, and that's really weird.
And
I mean, I really look really pale. Does that look right to you? Yeah, me too. It's just, this is really awkward, okay? Because I don't really do my makeup, because we go to school and we're not allowed to do makeup, and we don't really go to parties on Saturday nights. Welcome to DJ Adventure. And you haven't noticed that Dasha is starting to appear less and less in the DJ Adventure videos because we're not doing very interesting stuff for her. We're doing a makeup challenge. And so first we're going to show us all the beauty products our mum gave us. Some of it is our mum didn't give us, like 2 of the products. So these? Yeah, so
we'll have
This is This is
body lotion.
But I don't think I know all of body lotion. Maybe that and stuff.
And we also have this, which is,
see the side? It's blush with a brush.
and we also have this, which is, I don't know.
It's foundation.
Yeah, foundation.
We got red lip gloss. I love this. Our mum, I seen my mum apply it a couple of times, and I was so jealous because it's my favourite colour.
And also, we have this that our mum gave us. We have this, which is very pretty eyeshadow.
And also we got 2 little makeup
And
brushes.
this, did you see it?
This is mascara.
Okay,
Yep.
and we also have this. We also
kind of
have one which
broken.
is pop. I have lots of those pop ones.
Yeah.
What's
So
that?
let's get started. First, I would start with putting my hair back.
So, but how can my hair is all.
Put it behind your ears.
Okay, I'm going to start with this stuff.
Foundation.
There we go. Oh.
I'm not going to put it on the boring way. I'm going to do the light.
Is that 5 dots on my face? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes.
Okay, so you do this, and then you spread it. That's really weird. Would I put my fringe back?
It's very nice. I haven't got a fringe. I want a fringe, but I don't know what I look like with a fringe. Once our mum had a fringe, and she said that she...
Why not put a wig on that looks exactly like you, except with a fringe?
Well, why not? I can just get a normal wig with long hair and not coloured, just the colour of mine, and then I can make a fringe on it and put it on my head and see how I look like.
Well, I think I put on too much foundation.
I didn't. I just put on 5 dots,
really cake.
forehead, cheeks, and nose, and that's enough. And
I mean, I really look really pale.
okay.
Can I just look at the mirror? Because I'm looking like a monster. Does that look right to you? I really? Just a second. I'm just going to look in the mirror because I look like a...
Yeah, we'll have a big mirror over there. Yeah, so...
As you see, we are a little bit more tan than usual because we just came back from a trip of Spain. Now, I'm going to do my
Yeah, and
lip
guys...
gloss.
And
So we've got a mini mirror here.
Mini mirror from My Little Pony makeup set. That I
I'm going to use the
for
camera
my
as a mirror
birthday.
again. It's just, this is really awkward, okay? Because I don't really do my makeup because we go to school and we're not allowed to do makeup, and we don't really go to parties on Saturday nights.
And remember, at the end of the video, remember to comment down below whose makeup is the best. I'll just show you me. Okay, now, mascara, the hardest thing of all. That's her doing her makeup.
Oh.
Now you can watch us. Me and my sister. Maybe that's not high enough. Maybe I can zoom in. Nope, zoom out. What zooms in? Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Hello.
I got lip gloss on my thumb, and she got mascara all over her hand.
Hello, people who watch this video. Please comment down below
who has the best makeup.
Yes, I already said that.
You
And
don't even
comment down below that I'm the best, please.
and you know you don't even know how to apply blush, so you get a lot on your brush when you go like this.
Never mind.
Then
What would I
apply?
What? So first I'll do my lipstick, and I might look bad with lipstick on.
It's lip gloss.
Lip gloss then.
Look at all these magnificent colours. They're really good colours, and yeah, it's just really nice to use. Most of them, some of them are leather colours, which I really like to use. And I haven't put it on anything. How do you? I'm like, I see the top, but now I'm like. Like, do you know how to open eyeshadow?
Well, I didn't apply too much.
You got caked on makeup. What? You got caked on. What? It's like crumbly because it's
Really?
caked on.
What does that mean?
But it's too much. Then can open it, please, please, please.
What is too much?
Your foundation.
Too much foundation.
Yeah.
I'll be bad doing this.
Is the eyeshadow colours. Well, you look like a clown.
I don't.
You do.
Did you forget something?
I think I'm going to just go with a white base. Just going to the big mirror. More white eyeshadow. I'm just using this white eyeshadow as a base. Okay, I've done my white base, you see? Yeah. Now, comment down below if you think this is the right choice. The dark purple brown.
Sorry to disturb, but I accidentally done. And you might have not noticed this one. I'm going to show you. It's right there. Sorry to disturb, but I have to wash off all my makeup.
Comment down below if I look weird.
Okay,
I look so weird in my camera. Why does this one have to have this much camera light? I've got to turn the lights up so you guys can look how really I look like. Boring. I'm going to wash this off with my mum's makeup remover straight away.